ops. Oh man, he got the scale. The ops. Look at the ops, man. My man can't work in peace without the ops pulling up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, man. It's D Dyke, man. It's your boy, man. I'm in the building, man. Taking y'all to work with me today right now, man. Pouring concrete, you know what I'm saying? Pouring concrete down here in the beautiful Atlanta, Georgia. Waiting on this truck right now. He over there in the cut chilling. He pouring out, then I'm finna pour out. As you can see, we in a lavish neighborhood, you know what I'm saying? Rich folks neighborhood, man. That's another thing that's cool about my job and why I love this job, man. You be going to some places, you be seeing some stuff. No cap. Big gated community too. I had to go to the gate pad and punch in the gate. But yeah, man, we're gonna go into this quick little job, man. I'm gonna pour out. I'm gonna pour out, man, and then get off of work, and I'm gonna see if I can get me a nice truck rolling for y'all today. Hopefully I can get me something on the 75. Maybe a nice Peterbilt. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's happening. Right now I'm in my Kenworth. And I hate this thing, so y'all don't make fun of me. I was driving a Mack 8-speed, and then I started driving a Volvo 8-speed. And then they retired the Volvos for these newer trucks right here. Kenworth. Let me show y'all this thing, man. This thing is just, it's just cool truck. It's just not my cup of tea, man. For one, it's got an Allison transmission, and the thing sucks. It's slow. So here it is, a KW, my concrete truck that gets the job done. It's pretty cool, I guess. I wish I had a manual, man. I like driving that stick, man. I wish I had a manual. But this is my truck, man. This is what I do for work, y'all. I need to hurry up and get my Class A's, man, so I can be rolling like these trucks I've been making videos of, man. I think they're pouring out a pool up here, man. Let's go see what kind of. Oh, I think he finished. Yeah, I think he finished, so I'm up next now. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go pour out, do the swimming pool, and get done, man, and see if I can get me a truck for y'all, man. So this is me at work right now, man. Took y'all to work with me for a little bit. If y'all like this, man, I want to see more videos of it, just let me know in the comment section. Cause I go to a lot of cool places doing this job here, man. And if you're young too, man, if you're young, man, you know, if you're young, you're looking for a pretty good job, man, and you want to know more about this business right here, how you can get in, you know what I'm saying, you in Atlanta, man, let me know in the comment section, man, or wherever, whatever state you're in, man. I can tell you all about it, because it's a pretty cool gig, and it also pays pretty good. If y'all want to know more about this job, let me know, man. But you know, I'm really game to watch just taking videos of nice big peaks and Kenworth W900s rolling, because that's where I'd want to be in life. You gotta have goals in life, people. If you don't have goals, man, you don't have nothing that you're working towards. So anyways, man, I'm at work, man. USA Ready Mix. I'll get back with y'all, man. So guys, I'm off, but as you can see, rain came in, man. So we'll see how it goes out there today, man. Grab my things and get out of here and see how it goes. Let's see what kind of truck we can go get today, baby. Look at this Pete right here. Yes, sir. Let me drive it, man. Let me take her for a spin, man. That thing clean, boy. Woo. Damn. Look at the ops, y'all. Look at the ops, man. Look at the ops. Oh, man, he got the scale. The ops. Look at the ops, man. My man can't work in peace without the ops pulling up. Ops pull up, man. The ops pull up on my man, man. All my man's trying to do is just work, man, and take care of his family, man. But here comes the ops, man. Now he got to deal with the ops. Look at the ops, man. Oh, man. Ops making it hard out here for my truckers, there, man. Hope everything goes smooth, my man. Best of luck, man.
Big feet on the boy. What? Ooh. Oh, the stacks on that motherfucker.
Outlaw crazy 8-inch pipes. I think this guy's straight pipe, man, because his jakes are stupid nasty. Stupid. Just like that, okay? So I'm gonna wait for him to clear up, wait for the highway to clear up. We're gonna get on up next to him and we're gonna ride him for a little bit, man. So thanks again for tuning in, man. D Dyke, man. Yes, sir. Here we go.